panahon para maging hari, may panahon para madapa. Dahil ang buhay natin ay sadyang ganyan.
This is our farmland, more or less 1 hectare, with rest house, may nyugan, and guyabanuhan. First come, first serve, guys. This is well developed, and with guyabano bearing fruits already. With rambutan, with calamansi, and lanzones. Alright, guys, so, and varieties of banana and all. Good luck, everybody. Get it.